Meaning of evasive.
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 Evasive. The term evasive refers to the act of avoiding or escaping something or someone. It can describe a person who is intentionally being difficult to pin down or a situation that is challenging to handle. Evasive behavior can take many forms, including avoiding questions or making ambiguous statements. People may engage in evasive behavior for a variety of reasons, such as to protect themselves or to avoid confrontation. Overall, someone who is being evasive is not giving straightforward answers or information and is actively trying to avoid being caught or held accountable.